Hey kids, what time is it? Harris Puppet Shows! How much you like Harris Puppet Shows? With all their hearts! What did you do about it off the air? You kill yourselves! What's that, Parsley? That's Brittany over there. Today's her birthday? Well, happy birthday! How do you want to celebrate? You sing a special song? Shoot Parsley out of a cannon. The cannon, the cannon, the cannon, the cannon. So sorry, Parsley. What's your special wish? I know we haven't had much fun shooting out of a cannon, but it's because you haven't used up gunpowder! Alright, here we go! Boom! Don't blame me! I didn't do it! And now it's time for our first cartoon! Well, that's been great stuff. A lot of great stuff with the Harris Puppet Shows, right? Thank you for that large room and difference. Ladies and gentlemen, I've addressed my old friend of mine, Mr. Skins. Near out there, I can hear breathing. 2, 3, 4. Impression. Count hot dinner. Thanks, Mom. I know a dog is so ugly, can't chase him. Okay, no more dog jokes. The cat is walking down the street, this big surly dog grabs the cat and throws it against the wall. The pissed cat says, "Your money or your 9 lives." Your money or your 9 lives. See, I got words these up here. I am on the boots! Well, it's all worth it. Anyway, here's our next cartoon. George Washington. Abraham Lincoln. See, that's all the time we have for today, and it's been a great day with Harris Poppins Shows. It's been a great time with Harris Poppins Fan Club. And you too can win the Harris Poppins Fan Club. Be a member of the Harris Poppins Fan Club. You get a Harris Poppins button, Harris Poppins zipper, Harris Poppins Club. You can pummel anybody. It's funny when you get wear your Harris Poppins button or Harris Poppins zipper. Or just send $2,000 to our company. Harris Poppins Shows, 801 Yale Lounge, apartment 820, Swamp Ward, Pennsylvania, 19081. Anyway, till next time, we've had lots and lots of fun, you know, but now it's time to go. Death shall reign, I'll be in heaven, still doing this show. See you next time.